Hey guys, this is Curtis, cooking with Donna's son. My mother was feeling a little under the weather, so I wanted to make a quick video for y'all on how to make mashed potatoes. So right here I have around 2 pounds of gold potatoes, and right here I have cooked potatoes right here. I just got them off the stove, and I rinsed them out. After you rinse them out, make sure you put them back on the stove top, because these potatoes usually hold some water, so you want to get that water out. And once you do that, you'll be okay. Then right here, I have a 1/4 cup of cream cheese and 6 tablespoons of real butter. And just gonna want to go ahead and add this all in. You're gonna want to mash these up. Make sure you beat them around a little bit, go in circular motions. Beat them down in the middle. And you can see these things are already real fluffy. And also, let me grab my salt and pepper shakers. Right here, you're gonna wanna add your salt and pepper to your liking. Let me go ahead and add some of this. Go ahead and mix this all up into it. I'm gonna add in some of my pepper right now. We like a lot of pepper in ours, so that's why I put so much in there, it looks like. Make sure you put in a little bit at a time, you know, just to get it all worked in. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of warm milk in. Make sure it's hot milk, because if you use cold milk, it's gonna make like a glue-like substance in your mashed potatoes. So you're just gonna wanna add a tiny bit at a time. Oh, good little bit came out there. All right. Well, these are the mashed potatoes. Let's go ahead and get a try off these things. Let me clean this off first, though. All right, here they are, guys. They're real creamy, real fluffy. I added a dollop of butter on top, just, you know, for some presentation. A little bit more pepper. And what really can spice things up and make it really good is if you add around a tablespoon of dried chives. That'll also make it really good. And also, we like our mashed potatoes a little bit more creamy and more fluffy. So I added around 4 tablespoons of hot milk. Make sure it's hot, not cold. But if you like them a little bit more light and not as fluffy, I suggest using a little bit less. And this also serves around 6 servings. Want to let y'all see this. Looks really yummy, doesn't it? Alright. Well, that was just a little quick video for y'all on how to make mashed potatoes the cooking with Donna way. And I hope y'all like it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.